Hello kids, how are you? Okay. If anybody asks you how are you, तो आपको क्या बोलना है? I am fine, thank you. Okay. और कल जो मैंने आपको सिखाया था, आप सबने प्रैक्टिस की घर में? Okay. मजा आई सबको? Fine, very good. Now today also we'll do some new things. Okay? Now start. First of all, we'll start with प्रेयर. ओके, कल भी हमने मेडिटेशन किया था, प्रेयर की थी, तो आप सबको मजा है ना? आज भी हम सबसे पहले प्रेयर करेंगे. ओके, नाउ जॉइन योर हैंड्स, क्लोज योर आईज. नाउ स्टार्ट. थैंक यू गॉड फॉर द वर्ल्ड सो स्वीट. थैंक यू गॉड फॉर द फूड वी ईट. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Now, open your eyes. Very good. Now, अब क्या करेंगे हम पता है आपको? Now we'll do exercise जैसे पहले करते थे. Okay? Now everybody start with me. Okay? Now, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll do next exercise. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll do bird exercise. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Clap for yourself. Very good. Now next, what we'll do? Yesterday we have learnt about parts of body. Okay? Parts of body मैंने आपको सिखाया. ठीक है? So today what we'll do, we'll again revise the part of body with this activity. What is this? Doll. क्या है ये? Doll. Do you have doll in your home? Okay, सबके पास होती है doll. Now what we will do, okay, we will stick the written body parts on the parts of doll. Okay? Now start with me. First of all, see, what is the knee? Knees. Where is the knees of this doll? Where is the knees of the doll? Here. ठीक है? आपकी knees का है? जरा कौन ये doll की knees का है? यहाँ है. Okay, तो we'll stick knee on doll's knees. Okay. Next, foot. Where is the foot of the doll? See, here is the foot of the doll, and we will stick foot on the foot of the doll. Next, now next is head. Do you know where is head? आपको पता है head का? Yes, I know you know where is head. Okay, ये रहा head. So we will stick the sticker here. Okay, and where is your head? Show me. Very good. This is head. Now next is eyes. Wow, where is your eyes? And what do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. And where is Dolly's eyes? See, here is doll's eyes. Okay, so stick eye First of all, remove this. And this is eyes. See, where is eyes? Here. And where is your eyes? Here. And what do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. And where is this dolly's eyes? Doll की आँख का? Here. See, we'll stick here. Okay? Eyes. Now, next is neck. See, this is neck. Where is your neck? Your neck कहाँ होता है? अपने face के नीचे. Okay, so we'll stick this in here. Okay, this is doll's neck. Very good. See, what is this? Ears. Where is your ears? Side your face. Okay. See, where is ears? We'll stick ears in over here. ये side में. Okay. This is ears. See, what is this? Ears. Ears कहाँ होता है हमारे? This side. Okay. And what do we do with our ears? We hear with our ears. See, like this. ऐसे आपको stick करना है. Okay. Now, see, what is this? Stomach. क्या है ये? Stomach. Stomach कहाँ होता है? Or what helps? What is the function of stomach? The food we eat is digest in stomach. तो यहाँ है stomach. आप जो भी खाते हो ना, वो stomach में जाता है. Okay? So here is stomach. This is legs. Where is your leg? See, this is dolly's leg. Show me your leg. Very good. What do we do with our leg? We walk and run with our legs. See, ऐसे आपको stick करना है, ठीक है? Now next is hand. क्या? Hand. What do we do with our hands? We write with our hands and do work with our hands, ठीक है? और hands कहाँ है? See, here is hand. Okay, stick hand here. Very good. Now this is elbow. ये क्या है? Elbow. ये जो होता है ना हमारा, show me your elbow. See, this is elbow. ठीक है? ये elbow. Okay. Fine. इस तरह आप और भी बॉडी पार्ट्स स्टिक कर सकते हो मम्मा की हेल्प से, मम्मा को बोल के. ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल माउथ, नोज, चेस्ट. ओके. एंड डू दिस एक्टिविटी विथ योर मम्मा. ओके. फाइन. Let's start a new rhyme related to parts of body, and the name of the rhyme is My Five Sense. Do you know what is five sense? आपको पता है five sense कौन कौन से होते हैं? Okay, I will tell you. See, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and your skin. Okay, this is five sense. So now we will learn the poem. Recite after me. Okay. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. Come to me, come close. Come to me, come close. I taste with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. I touch with my hand. I touch with my hand. I'll be happy in my fairyland. Now अगेन रिपीट विथ मी, ठीक है? I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. Come near me, come close. Come near me, come close. Okay, सब बोल रहे हो ना मेरे साथ? Very good. I taste with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. I touch with my hands. I touch with my hands. I am happy in my fairyland. I am happy in my fairyland. Now we will do some conversation question answers. Okay. Number 2 and 3. Now we will do some question answer, conversation question answers. Okay. मैं आपको explain करूँगी and you have to learn this. Okay. Now, what do we do with our tongue? हम अपने tongue से क्या करते हैं? Where is your tongue? First of all, show me. See, this is your tongue. Okay. अब what it helps us? What do we do with our tongue? पता है आपको हम tongue से क्या करते हैं? We taste with our tongue. क्या करते हैं? टेस्ट करते हैं टंग से। मम्मा कोई भी रेसिपी बनाती है, चॉकलेट कभी घर में बनाती है या फिर तीखी तीखी पानी पूरी बनाती है, तो आपको कैसे पता चलता है? हाउ डू यू नो? आप टेस्ट करते हो तब ना। व्हेन यू गेट टेस्ट देन यू विल कम टू नो कि वो कैसा टेस्ट है उसका। तो व्हाट डू वी डू विद आवर टंग? वी टेस्ट विद आवर टंग। ठीक है। नाउ नेक्स्ट, What do we do with our hands and legs? हम अपने हाथ और पाँव के साथ क्या करते हैं? क्या हेल्प करता है वो हमको? We work with our hand and walk with our leg. Hands हमको किस चीज में हेल्प करते हैं? वर्क करने में। कोई भी हम वर्क करते हैं, राइटिंग, ड्राइंग, ओके। And what do legs help us? Leg help us to run and walk. Leg हमको walk करने में, run करने में help करते हैं. Okay? Now last time I will repeat. What do we do with our tongue? Say, we taste with our tongue. 3 times. We taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Now next, what do we do with our hands and legs? Now repeat. We work with our hand and walk with our leg. Again, we work with our hand and walk with our leg. Last time, we work with our hand and walk with our leg. Okay? Fine. Now we will do alphabet activity. Okay? With the help of playing clay. Clay है आपके घर में? नहीं है? Okay, doesn't matter. We can also do this activity with the help of. We can also do this activity with the help of draw. अगर आपके घर में clay नहीं है, तो आप draw के साथ भी ये activity कर सकते हो. What we will make with this clay? Simple capital ABCD. Okay. Now, first of all, we make A. क्या बनाएंगे? A. A for hand. Aeroplane. Okay. So first, roll like this. Clay. ऐसे करना. पहले 2 स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनानी है, ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, रोल दिस क्ले लाइक दिस एंड मेक 2 स्टैंडिंग लाइन. वेरी गुड. एंड another small standing line. Okay, roll, roll, roll. Very good. Roll, roll, roll. Okay, fine. Now what we'll do this, we'll put this standing line in slanting way. Okay, like this. One slanting line and another slanting line. Okay, and we'll put this small slipping line in between. Okay, तो ये क्या बन गया? A. क्या बन गया? A. You have done this. Okay, A. Now, and which color I have taken? Yellow color. Okay. Now next we'll make H. Okay. Make two standing line. Look, one I have made of same length. Now another standing line. And one small standing line. See, H. Which alphabet we made? H. Okay. Now we'll make with purple color. Okay. K. Okay. In K also we have to make now we'll make K. Okay, K for kite. Look, I am making it randomly. मैं बीच में से ले रही हूँ अल्फाबेट, बट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू कि आपको पूरी A to Z अल्फाबेट्स बनाने हैं और फिर मुझे बताने हैं बना के. ओके, सी दिस इज K. K for kite. Now we'll make R from blue color. Okay, R. Standing line, then half circle. तो हाफ सर्कल भी कैसे करेंगे? यू नो, पहले ऐसे रोल करके स्टैंडिंग लाइन ही करेंगे. ओके, देन वो स्टैंडिंग लाइन को में ऐसा लाइक दिस सेमी सर्कल में. ओके, everybody is doing very good. Getting fun to do this. Very good. फिर उसको हाफ सर्कल को what we have to do is कि standing line में you have to join it. Okay. Now again we have to make roll and put this standing line into slanting line like this. R for rabbit. Okay. Now we'll make O for orange. roll it properly. Very good. इसको थोड़ा long, you have to prepare it little bit long, with which you make a circle. Okay, oval circle, oval shape. You have to join this. See, this is O for orange. Okay, now we'll make Q, blue color. Q for will, mean, ऐसे ही बनाएंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट विल मेक O, like this. Okay. Now little bit slanting. Okay, this is Q. Q for queen. Okay. Now we'll make Z. Now we'll make W. Okay. See, slanting line. Join it. See, this is W for watch. Okay. Now we'll make Z from yellow color. Slipping line, slanting line, join it, and another slipping line. See, Z for zebra. Okay, fine. Hope you will do. Okay, fine, very good. Do with clay with the help of your mommy. Okay, bye. We'll meet next day with new activities and new learning. Okay, stay home, stay safe.